Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use commands and notifications in the Google Sheets. So using commands and notifications in the Google Sheets can enhance collaborations and ensure that you are aware of any updates. And this is how you can use the features. If you want to insert command to the Google Sheets, you can just right click on a cell where you want to add command. And then in here, you can click on or you can just scroll down until you find the command option. Select it and type your command. Uh, for example, this need to be fixed. You can tap on command to save it. So it will be shown like this. And you can also tag someone in a comment. You can start typing a comment, for example, this one. And you can also use, and you can just use add to start mentioning someone or select the person that from the suggestion list. And you can just tap on reply after that, and they will receive an email notification about the commands. So if you want to a few commands, you can look for the cells with small orange triangles like this in the top right corner, and it indicates that there's a command. So you can just click on the triangle to view the command. So if you want to delete the command or resolve it, you can just click on the command and tap on resolve or delete to delete the command. And if you want to use a notification in the Google Sheet, you can set it up first. You can go to tools, and there's this notification setting, and in here you can just click on edit a notification, and you can just set it how you like it. So you can choose when to be notified. You can click on edit in here. You can choose between get notified every time any changes are made or a user submit a form, or notify me with and you can also choose the how you want to be notified through email, daily, get an email for every change, or receive a summary email daily. You can also just remove the notification if you don't need it. Just tap on delete in here. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment if you still have a question, and don't forget to click on thanks and subscribe. Bye.